This is common sense. Today, wants versus needs.
Mom, Dad, it's an emergency! The unicorn castle's on sale!
An emergency? Where is my wallet?
Phil. A toy on sale is not an emergency. A need is something we can't live without. A want is just something we would like. A need is something you can't live without. A want is just something you'd like.
Needs are food, the house, the lights. Wants are unicorn castles.
So pay for your needs first, always. Then a little for fun, and a little you save. Pay for your needs first, always. Then a little for fun, and a little you save.
So the castle comes after the lights stay on. The lights are non-negotiable, Dad.
Needs in the basket, wants in the balloon.
Your needs go in the basket and stay. Your wants can float away. So remember, needs first, wants second, savings always.
The castle was $40. We're learning.
So needs first, wants second, and the future always gets a seat.
If this helped, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a money lesson.